Okay, so now you'll notice that all of these are one log, and we're going to expand it into multiple logs. So my first step is really the same, except you'll feel like it's the opposite of what we did with the last ones. What operation do I see in my argument, right? If this is my parentheses, what operation is in there? I see division, right? I see a fraction, which is division. So Gladys, you're right. When I see division, I should be thinking subtraction. So when I expand this, my two logs are going to be connected with subtraction. All right? So let's go ahead and write our two logs. They're connected by subtraction. Okay? Now, what's in the numerator? X in the numerator in the top is x to the fifth power. Okay? What's in the denominator? Y squared. Or y to the power of 2. All right, is everyone okay with that? So remember, the numerator is going to be the argument for the first one. Denominator, argument for the second one. Okay? Now, this is almost done, except do you see those powers? Well, you got to take those powers. Very good, gentlemen. You got to move them to the front. Okay? So moving them to the front gives me 5 times the log of x minus 2 times the log of y. And that is it.
We did this last year, right?
You should have, yes. Any questions on going the other direction?
No.
I'm going to do two more, then done. 2 more. Okay. Number 2. First thing I notice, remember, think about this is your argument. What operation is between x to the 4th power and y to the 5th power if there's no symbol? Multiplication. So when I see multiplication, I should be thinking addition. All right, so when I'm finished with this, I should see addition in between these two. All right, so let's write our two logs connected by addition. All right, now in this one, it doesn't matter, right? Gabriel asked me on the other one, like he actually did move. One of them had like to the 4th power, the other didn't in the last link, and he moved it and it was fine. I don't know if it really matters. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. So I'm going to write x to the 4th power because that came first. But is it okay to write y to the 5th power where I put that x to the 4th power? It is, right? I don't care. The order shouldn't matter. So this one I'm going to put the log of y to the 5th power. The last step is to move those powers to the front. So 4 times the log of x plus 5 times the log of y. Okay, one more, and then you guys get a chance to try. Okay, last one. All right, again, I see in here, this is 7, and then I don't see a symbol, then x cubed, so that's multiplication. So I'm thinking I'm going to be using addition here. All right, so I'm going to write 2 logs connected by addition. Now this can be a little tough, right? Because they don't have 2 variables. But the way I'm going to split this up is the first one is just going to be the log of 7, and the second one is going to be the log of x cubed. All right? So make sure when you get these, it's going to be a little tricky. So does the 7 have a power? No. So that one is actually done. So I'm just going to bring down the log of 7. But the next one does have a power, has a power of 3. So that's going to move to the front of that log. And that is it. That's how we're going to expand these logarithms.